Hi, welcome to kellysphotos.com. This is my home page. As you can see, it's a photography website. So we have my senior photos, my children's photos, engagements, wedding, and also my photo cards that I do. And if you look on the bottom, I have my practice, my style guide. There we go. And all of these are links. This one will take you to your sessions page, and that shares kind of the prices of how much it is to get the sessions done. This is my About page. It has my family on it and me. This is my cards page. It talks about my quality cards that you can purchase in different bundles. If you click here, it'll take you to the contacts page. I did write on here the submit form is not yet working. Please call or email me. Yeah, because it's there, it's just not working, of course. Anyway, so this is my page. Everything validates correctly with the CSS and the HTML. And I guess we can look at the practice page. Here's my practice page with my home, my types of bees. How that is made. Okay, let's go ahead and check out my style guide. You can see I've got my style guide here, or you can also download my PSD file. And that's all my website. I hope you liked it. Thank you. Bye.